Predeterminism is determinism taken to the extreme. Predeterminism argues that not only is every event caused by previous ones, but that the entire chain was already laid out from the beginning of time. In a sense, the universe is like a massive, unchanging movie reel. You're not choosing what happens, you're simply watching the film unfold. This idea can be found in both religious and scientific contexts. In some forms of theism, for example, it's believed that God already knows every action, thought, and consequence in your life, that your path is foreseen, even if you don't know it. Similarly, Laplace's demon, a thought experiment by 18th century scientist Pierre-Simon Laplace, imagines a super-intelligent being that knows the position and momentum of every atom in the universe. Given that knowledge, the demon could theoretically predict everything that will ever happen. This view removes all uncertainty from the world. But here comes a curveball: quantum physics. Unlike classical physics, where everything is predictable, quantum mechanics shows that at the smallest levels of reality, particles behave probabilistically. Electrons don't have definite positions until observed. Outcomes can't always be predicted. This randomness introduces what some scientists call quantum indeterminacy, which may challenge the idea of a completely predetermined universe. While it doesn't prove free will, it at least shows that the universe isn't as clockwork as we once thought. Still, not all randomness equals choice. Just because some events are unpredictable doesn't mean they're willed. So, where does this leave us? Let's look at fatalism, a different but often confused idea. Fatalism says that no matter what you do, the outcome is destined to happen. It doesn't rely on cause and effect like determinism or predeterminism. Instead, it's more about inevitability. If you're meant to become a teacher, for instance, you'll become one, even if you try to avoid it by studying engineering, joining the military, or moving to a different country. The story ends the same way. Fatalism is everywhere in myth and literature. Oedipus, the tragic Greek hero, is fated to kill his father and marry his mother, even though everyone tries to avoid it. In modern times, think of Harry Potter, who is destined to face Voldemort no matter how many choices he makes. The entire idea of prophecy, destiny, and meant to be comes from fatalistic thinking. Fatalism can sound depressing, like why try at all if the ending is already set? But some ancient traditions found comfort in it. The Stoics, for example, believed that fate governs what happens to us, but we control our response. You may not control the waves, but you can learn to sail. This is echoed in Eastern thought too. Karma is sometimes misinterpreted as fatalism, but most traditions say karma influences, not determines, our future. That distinction between influence and certainty is key. Fatalism taken too far can lead to passivity, but tempered with awareness it can bring peace, accepting what you cannot change and focusing on your reaction instead. And now, for a truly unique view, we go